Hello everyone, myself Manas Rajesh Patil. Today I am going to talk about building services. Building services plays a central role in contributing to the design of a building, not only in terms of overall strategies and standards to be achieved, but also in fact engineering, the weight, sizes, location of major plant and equipments, the position of vertical service risers, routes for the distribution of horizontal services, drainage, energy sources, sustainability, and so on. This means the building services design must be integrated into the overall building design from the very early stage. I have visited to the Aditya apartment on 12th of December. The Aditya apartment is located in camp area of Malegaon. It has 4 floors. The ground floor contains shopping complexes and parking. First floor has 5 1 BHK flats, second floor has 6 1 BHK flats, and third floor has also 6 1 BHK flats. Name of builder is Sanket Modi. The building was constructed by Sanket Developers Private Limited. Date of construction was in year 2000. Plot area of building is 5500 square feet. This is the image of Aditya apartment. Now we will see the building services that are provided in Aditya apartment. The primary function of building is to provide shelter to its occupants, but in our modern world, all buildings should be designed in such a way to provide an environment where people can feel comfortable, work, live and achieve. Basically, building services is what making the building comes to life. That is what makes the building work. Building services include factors such as electrical supply system, water distribution system, ventilation system, drainage system, and safety measure system. Firstly, we will see the electrical supply system in Aditya apartment. In general, we may say that the electrical installations in a building have not the same long life as the other components. Also, a lot of improvements have been done in modern electrical devices to make electric supply safer than before. For example, the fuse wire system in the old building that was built 40 to 50 years ago now has been replaced by the automatically operating miniature circuit breaker, which switches off the current if there is even a small leakage in the electrical circuit. An electrical system within the context of a building is a network of conductors and equipment designed to carry, distribute, and conventional electrical safety from the point of delivery or generation to the various loads around the building that consume the electrical energy. Now we will see the water distribution system. What the building has one large tank which having capacity of 9500 liters. This tank is filled frequently according to consumption of water by people. Water is collected in this large tank which is fixed under the ground surface. The water collected in storing tank is supplied by municipality corporation. The water from the storing tank is supplied to the main tank which is placed on terrace. The capacity of main tank depend upon the number of flats and members in each flat of the building. Total requirement is calculated by as average use of water per capita per day is about 130 to 135 liters. Now we will see the ventilation system in Aditya apartment. Ventilation systems are very crucial. Their purpose is to avoid explosion from by removing flammable gases. Properly installed ventilation system greatly reduce the chances of life-threatening explosion. Ventilation moves outdoor into air of a building or a room and distributes the air within the building or a room. The required minimum ventilation airflow at the space can be provided by an equal quantity of supply or transfer air. At the air handling unit, the minimum outside air must be the sum of the ventilation requirement of each of the spaces that it serves. Ventilation is needed to provide oxygen for metabolism and to dilute metabolic pollutants, carbon dioxide and odor. Now we will see the drainage system in Aditya apartment. Drainage is the method of removing of surface or subsurface water from given area. Drainage system include all the piping within a private or public property that conveys sewage, rainwater and other liquid waste to a point of disposal. In this apartment there is a surface drainage system. Surface drainage system contains shallow ditches dug in parallel pattern which act as canals for runoff water. These ditches let the water into the main drain to avoid water pooling and flooding. A surface drainage system contains shallow ditches dug in a parallel pattern which is constructed below the ground floor of building. Wastewater from all the floors is collected through drainage pipes. PVC pipes are used to carrying waste. These pipes are preferred due to its dense nature and extremely good tensile strength. Now we will see the safety measures that are taken in Aditya apartment. Safety measures include equipments like fire extinguishers, CCTVs, earthing wires, railing of stairs, etc. which are useful for public safety. The conclusion of visit is that there is a need of building services in any building. We get knowledge about the basic and advanced technique of building services. This visit offers opportunity for real life work and practice of basics. Close the gap between the scientific study and practical study. Plans must be clear and easy to read for those who use. This increases a lot of confidence as well as positive attitude in students' mind. Training taught how to tackle the unexpected problems arises while planning about building services. Thank you.